In this video, we will talk about the top 10 craziest motorcycle concepts. Vroom, vroom! Did you hear the sound of the motorcycle? We don't live inside the caves anymore, so motorcycles are now usual in racing tracks, motor shows, streets, highways, and more. Motorcycle enthusiasts have different concepts in building one. If before, they are made up of metal scraps and powered by a steam engine. Nowadays, they come in different sizes, purposes, designs, and features. If you want to know these unusual concepts and try it out with your motorcycle, please stay tuned and don't switch channels. You may also want to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get you notified to our latest videos. What do you think will make the list? Number 10. Swordfish Motorcycle Concept. Talking about futuristic and sleek design, the Swordfish motorcycle concept is undeniably astonishing. Let's talk about its amazing features. First, the wheels are hubless, which gives a more unusual, but in a good sense vibe. Second, the body is designed with sharp angles and curves, so it's like a new breed of motorcycles. Although it has a visionary design, it is not that comfortable to ride with. But why care about the feeling if you can drive the most unique looking and head-turning motorcycle? Looking at its design, don't you recall a movie hit? You've guessed it right. It looks like the Predator's motorcycle. Number 9. iCare Bike Concept. If Beauty and the Beast were motorcycles, this will be their offspring. With a vibe of Batman's bike, it was conceptualized by the French-based Enzyme Design. It took the two-wheeled motorcycle concept to the next level. What makes this motorcycle special is not just its futuristic design, but also its ability to move in high speed. Just so you know, it has a 6-cylinder 1.8 engine from Honda. However, the production of this super motorcycle hasn't started yet. But to think of the concept, motorcycle enthusiasts will be more than willing to buy this in whatever amount. Number 8. Jaguar M-Cycle Concept. Jaguars are the fastest mammals in the world. No wonder motorcycle companies got inspired with its unbelievable features. Can you guess where they got the shape of the motorbike? Yes! It takes after the logo of the Jaguar car. Fierce and badass vibe is what the riders look like when they are testing this motorbike. Surprisingly, it has a length of 8 feet, so you can bring your special someone on a road trip in style. Unlike other motorcycles, it is made with stainless steel and ebony lacquered fiberglass for a stronger foundation. Are you ready to take a ride? Number 7. KTM Ion Concept. If you are a bike enthusiast but have a soft spot for motorcycles, KTM Ion will give them both to you. Every time people see this, they can't help but get confused about the function of this motorbike. Why not? In the first place, it looks like the Mistress of Evil or Maleficent's bike because of its very intimidating and on-point design. Second, it has no pedal, so it's a motorcycle. This is actually a motorbike designed with exostructural frames that can give strength and precision in driving. It is not powered by gasoline, but electricity to deliver and blend with the urban environment. Aren't you excited to drive this? Who would have thought that a bike can be mixed with a motorcycle, right? This is simply a work of art and thoughtful engineering. Number 6. Magic Tricycle Concept. If you're a fan of the Transformers movie and in love with one of the Autobots, this motorcycle will give you the chance to own one of them. Well, not literally the Autobots, but motorcycle that looks like them. Although it hasn't been out in the market, the concept of this motorcycle will be one of the most in-demand and talk of the town. If you want to know what's special about this, it's not just the design, but the function. This motorcycle can turn into a 2 or 3 wheel with just a single push in the button. Do you think we'll be seeing one of these soon? Most of you have been wondering now how much would it cost to own one of these, but for sure, it will be a price of gold. Number 5. Speed Racer Alien Motorcycle. You might have watched different alien movies before, and most of them have a long triangular head shape. This is what inspired Dan Bailey to conceptualize a motorcycle that will resemble the aliens in the movies. To create a strong and intimidating look, the bike was based on the Kawasaki Ninja. After the production, the manufacturer of this motorcycle has a hunch that it will be a hit in the market. Overall, it gives a badass attitude to any rider because of its sleek and unique design. For sure, you can see one of these in the next movie scenes. But let us guess who will be riding it. Is it the aliens or the alien hunters in the movie? Number 4. Ferrari V4 motorcycle concept. Ferrari never failed to amaze the public with its out-of-this-world concepts, be it on supercars and luxury motorcycles. If you want to look like a rock star on an icon, you will love the new Ferrari motorcycles. One of these is the new Ferrari V4 motorcycle that was designed by the great Amir Glinnik. For his love with cars, he tried to create a sporty and futuristic-looking Ferrari motorcycle. Riders can choose from red or yellow. But no matter what color they choose, it will surely give a smooth and dynamic ride. It is amazingly powered by the top-notch V4 Italian engine that will give you a va-va-voom. Standard in your driving experience, you guys might be imagining now how it feels to ride this motorcycle. Who wouldn't want to have this amazing and endorphin exciting ride buddy? Number 3. Energia motorcycle concept. If you want to ride in style, Energia motorcycle can bring you to fame. It is not just award-winning but multi-awarded when it comes to intelligence. How? It is a futuristic motorcycle designed and crafted by the best engineers to create an intelligent source of energy that can beat the world's self-fuel cell technology. When talking about commitment to saving the environment, Energia motorcycle took it to the limit where others can't comply. Instead of dangerous carbon emissions, it emits 100% water vapor. It was first introduced in 2005 with an audience of 340 million people. It has also been introduced to different countries and big cities like Monaco, Los Angeles, London, New York, and San Francisco. As of now, they are limited to the general customer. Don't you wish you can drive one of these? Number 2. Scarab motorcycle. If you are the type of person who likes to ride a motorcycle but hesitant to try because you're not confident with your balancing skills, Scarab motorcycle has a solution for you. Believe it or not, the concept of this motorcycle was designed in 1975 by the Fiber Fab in the United States. It is safe because it's a 3-wheeled motorcycle that looks like a capsule with wheels. It looks more of a car because it has a front suspension, but it runs like a motorcycle. According to reports, there were only 6 of these produced, so having this limited edition motorcycle is like winning in a lottery. This motorcycle has no doors. The only way to access it is by lifting the top portion. It is powered by a Kawasaki Motor 900cc and can reach up to 80 miles per hour. Imagine yourself driving the motorcycle in the busy streets of New York. You will surely attract people's attention. And last but not the least, number 1. Halbo Future Dual Wheel BMW. If you have watched the movie Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol, you may have seen the part where Tom Cruise was chasing the target using a motorcycle. The motorcycle looked high-tech and trendy, but if you see the newest design of BMW, you might change your mind. This motorcycle was designed by the reputable Pierre-Johann Lubis. On the first look, you can think of the futuristic movies and a glimpse of modern life ahead. The Halbo Future Dual Wheel BMW is a proud product of BMW. It is designed with a futuristic look. It is indeed fast, but dangerous. It has a big wheel in front and small at the back, which the whole look closely resembles a motorboat. If you have this motorcycle, you don't need to worry about gasoline because it is powered by electricity. This motorcycle is the new breath of fresh air literally because it doesn't emit carbon. As for being environmentally friendly, this motorcycle is a sure ball, and with a little more safety features. This has a better promise for the future. Just make sure it's fully charged before you hit the road if you don't want to go home pushing it. Which of these motorcycles would you want to drive soon? That's it for today. We hope that you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and keep safe.